Imagine if today were the day that 48 hostages came home, if today were the day the war ended. President Trump, this is your moment. This is your deal, built with American leadership, ready to be signed. Hamas has already signaled its willingness. What stands in the way right now is delay and political maneuvering from our own government.
50 years ago, President Richard Nixon prolonged the Vietnam War for 2 unnecessary years. That was also very unpopular in the United States. He did it not for strategic reasons, but for politics. He wanted to look strong. He wanted to win a second term. The cost of that war for 2 more years were 8,000 U.S. soldiers that were killed, lost in the name of paranoia and political ambition. Mr. President, do not let history repeat itself.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now World.